Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah spoke with Central Council of Muslim Thinkers Chavdi of Karnataka State Delegation today and discussed various issues. Siddaramaiah assures all the programs for minorities will be resumed. Karnataka Congress government has already implemented all the 5 guarantees assured in the Congress manifesto prior to the Karnataka Assembly elections 2023, and more grants will be surely allotted to the minorities in the coming year. In Karnataka, Chavdi has been linked to pro-people movement for more than 10 years. It has contributed to the literary community, the growth of Kalyan Karnataka, student and Dalit movements, and other pro-people conflicts. The Muslim community's social, economic, and educational progress has been emphasized by Chavdi. According to the forum, it also opposes communalism. The delegation urged Siddaramaiah to enhance funds to minority department and corporations, provide hostels, and development of a minority polytechnic college in the district, because the community has been deprived of government programs for the past 5 years. Chief Minister's Political Secretary Nasir Ahmed, Chavdi President Muzaffar Asadi, Mastan Biradar, Banu Mushtaq, Rahmat Tarikere were present too.